Good day, students. I'm Mr. Luigi Sabroso, and I'm your teacher in science. Good
Good
day.
day, sir.
Good day, sir.
Good day,
So
sir.
today we will going to tackle about the three types of plate boundaries. By the way, class, I use Kahoot as our medium for today's lesson. For those who haven't downloaded the app, kindly search the Kahoot.it and enter the game pin. And the game pin will be sent later on. So Miss Justine May, just enter. And also Miss Blair. Waiting for. Okay, all players are already in. So let's start. So before we start to, to my discussion, can anyone explain why plates move? Anyone in the class? Okay, Miss Tihano.
Good day, sir. The reason
Good day.
why plate tectonics occur is because of the high pressure of the Earth's inner core.
Okay. So before that, for us to find out if your answer is correct, let me discuss the topic. And please listen attentively because I'm going to give you a test after my discussion. So let's start. So in some regions, plates spread apart, creating a new crust. While in other locations, plates move toward one another in a slow motion collision, forming mountains. Then each other were neither crust created nor destroyed. So there are the three types of plate boundaries, namely the divergent, convergent, and transform fault. So the narrow zones between plates are where the majority of seismic activity occurs at the plate boundaries that are divergent, convergent, or transform. And as you can see in the GIF or the say the video, the short clip video, it shows the movement of the plates in the globe or in the world. So let's have the three types of plate boundaries. The first type of plate boundary is called divergent plate boundary. Divergent boundary gets its name from the word diverge or spreading. It happens when two plates move apart from each other. Trenches and reefs form as a result of this sort of plate boundary. And molten rocks from the mantle erupts along the opening, forming a new crust. So that's our first type of plate boundary. The second type of plate boundary is convergent plate boundary. Convergent plate boundary happens when plates move towards one other and colliding. Thus, convergent boundary is formed when two plates collide head-on. Mountains are formed as a result of this type of plate boundary. such as Himalayas mountain range in the Asia. And the last type of plate boundary is called the transform fault boundary. Transform fault boundary happens when two tectonic plates glide past each other. One of the best instances of the lateral plate motion is the San Andreas Fault, which bounded between the North American Plate and the Pacific Plate. So, in conclusion, the movement of the Earth's plates is due to the high pressure of Earth's inner part. Slowly moving, but surely change the surface of the Earth. So, any question or clarification regarding to the topic?
None so far,
None
sir.
so far, sir.
Okay. Okay, it seems that you have understand the lesson very well. I want you to be prepared for my game quiz to test your learnings in my discussion a while ago. This quiz consists of 4 questions. Each questions have 20 seconds to answer. So try your best. And let's start our game quiz. So the first question is, following are the three primary types of plate movements, except the answer is transverse fault boundary. So let's see who's got the correct answer. No, Miss Justin may get the highest score in the leading board. Next question. No. Transform fault boundary occurs when the crust is neither produced nor destroyed, as a plate slide horizontally. True or false? So the answer is true. Let's see your scores. Still, Miss Justin may get the correct or the highest score in the leading board. Third question. It occurs along spreading centers where plates are moving apart and a new crust is created. What type of plate boundary is it? So the answer is divergent plate boundary. So Justin may still got the highest score. The last question was, as a result of this type of convergent plate boundary, trenches and rifts are formed. True or false? So the answer is false. So let's see your scores in the leading board. Third was Justin May. Then second was Miss Adelie, and the top scorer was Miss Bear. So very good students. Well done. And that's for today's lesson. Have a nice day. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Goodbye. God
sir.
bless.
Thank you, sir. God bless.